na, alas 12 na ng tanghali. Yun, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat mga kagwang. Welcome na naman po sa aking channel. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman tayo ngayon. So ngayong araw na to ay araw ng linggo. So grocery na naman kami ngayon. Tapos hindi ko lang alam kung diretso kami palengke. Ayan. Bagong lahat mga kagwang, bago kami pumunta ng palengke o mag-grocery. So magre-repack na muna tayo ng bigas. Alright, so nakapag-repack na tayo ng bigas mga kagwang. Ito na, yan. So dadalhin ko na to doon sa kabilang tindahan. Ayan, tara. Alright, so tapos na tayo maghatid ng bigas mga kagwang doon sa kabilang tindahan sa kay tatay. Yan, so bago kami dumiretso ng bago kami dumiretso ng Jumbo, ihatid muna namin yung kapatid ng misis ko doon sa doon sa may Clark. So tara, let's go. Tara na.
A few moments later.
So mga kagwang, nandito na kami sa ilalim ng Jumbo. Medyo wala na tayong maparadaan dahil puno na. Tanghali na kasi. So ayusin ko lang to. Ayusin ko lang sa ilalim para kita ng kita. Hey guys, parket na kami sa taas. Medyo tinanghali na tayo. Anong oras na ba? 9:21 na. Sigurado yan, marami ng tao sa loob. Uy! Bilisan mo, maraming tao. Yan, sabi mo kasi maaga eh. Maaga. Maaga tinanghali na. Marami ba? Na? Linggo pa naman ngayon.
2,000 years later.
Napakahaba na po ng pila. Yan. Hindi na namin pinuno yung isang card. So, pinila ko na dito. Yan. Siguro pang 20 yung sa amin o pang 15. Yan. Haba pa yung pila mga kagwang. So, puntahan muna natin si Commander. Saan yung isang mo, isang card mo? Ito? Sa ito? Saan? Balik na tayo dun sa may card natin mga kagwang. Grabe, haba ng pila.
Thousand years later.
Yan, update mga kagwang. Anong oras na ba? Alas 12 na. Alas 12 na ng tanghali. So, 9:20 kami dumating kanina. So, ito natapos na. Tapos na din. Ayan, kinarga na ni Kuya. Oh. Shout out. Grabe, sobrang dami ng tao. Yan mga kagwang, inabot kami ng alas 12 dito. Alas 12 ng tanghali. Grabe, nagugutom na ako. Hindi na, mamaya na lang. Doon lang.
Kay Owen yun?
Oo nga. Hindi, sa atin, ang ulam natin.
Yun.
Yun. So, bumili na lang kami ng ulam mga kagwang dahil sarado na yung palengke niyan. Wala na kami mandaan, wala na kami madatnan doon. So, uwi na kami. So, tara na. Uwi na mga kagwang. Nagugutom na si kagwang. Grabing init mga kagwang, oh. Oh, tingnan nyo, oh. Yan. So, minto muna kami dito sa May Tulay. Meron lang binili dito si Commander sa May Tulay. May tindahan. Grabe init. Oo. Yan, tapos na kami mga kagwang. Papauwi na kami. Grabing init. So, mamaya na lang. Alright mga kagwang, so nandito na kami, kararating lang namin sa bahay. Kakatapos lang namin magbaba ng mga pinamili namin kanina. Grabe, inabot kami ng 12:30. Grabe, sobrang dami ng tao. Tapos, grabe pang init. Kaya ito, magano tayo ng tubig na may yelo. Grabing init. Hindi na kami dumaan ng palengke mga kagwang dahil oras na. Sarado na yung palengke niyan eh. So, titingnan na lang natin mamaya kung ano yung ulam namin. So guys, kain na po tayo. Nagugutom na si Kagwang. Ulam ko ngayon ay meron kaming lumpiang gulay. Tsaka century tuna. Yan, hindi kasi kami nakadaan ng palengke dahil sarado na. Ito na lang, bawi na lang tayo bukas. Kain po tayo. May lumpia. Ayun.
Take it away, he wanted to look like us so the teacher wouldn't hide a sickness anymore. And if you love your teacher's scruff, this teacher's fake head fell off in front of her.
Hindi yan, malaman naman to, oh. Malaman ng gulay.
She looked at her mom and did, but her mom ordered her to keep practicing. The girl didn't rest for a moment. She danced on the ice with 12 arms. Her movements became more and more skillful, but her mom still shook her head. She lectured
Yung paksiw lang, ha?
backstage and demanded that she must be perfect. If a passerby saw her,
Tingnan ang boses mo.
let down, even if the girl chatted with her peers on the rink. Her mom would scold her. She couldn't make any friends her own age. Her only entertainment was hunting with her father. But her father couldn't stand his wife's violence and left. The girl begged him to take her with him. She even stopped in front of the car. Unfortunately, her father's car drove away. In the end, the girl was left behind. She cried helplessly. The girl became
Hindi mangangisin. Ay, suka.
the girl never gave up skating because she knew it was her only talent. At the age of 4, she was taken to the rink. After only a few days of lessons, she caught the attention of the coach. She had won a championship.
Parang hindi masarap.
Kids a couple years old,
Suka.
this girl was practicing skating and suddenly became the teacher says to little Johnny, if I gave you 2 cats and another 2 cats and another 2, how many cats would you have? Johnny says, 7. The teacher says, no, listen carefully. If I gave you 2 cats and another 2 cats and another 2, how many would you have? Johnny repeats, 7. The teacher tries a different approach. Let me put it to you differently. If I gave you 2 apples and another 2 apples and another 2, how many would you have? Johnny says, 6. The teacher says, good. Now, if I gave you 2 cats and another 2 cats and another 2, how many would you have? Johnny says, 7. The teacher asks in frustration, Johnny, why do you keep saying 7? Johnny replies, because I've already got 1 cat at home. The teacher says to little Johnny, if I gave you
Hindi ka gutom, ah. Marami pa naman doon. Ilalim mo ang kinuha ko. Dami yun. Ano mahiya?
This little puppy was only able to walk on both hands. Everywhere he went, he had his hind legs and little tail up. When he walked the streets, everybody gave him a weird look, like he was some kind of strange animal. But nobody knew what happened to this little puppy until this kind woman saw him and decided to adopt
Sarap.
him. A visit to the vet was needed for the doctor, and they saw that the bone was fractured due to a car. So with no
Sumawe.
time to waste, after 2 months,
Mahiya.
the puppy was able to walk on all.
So yun mga kagwang, hanggang dito na lang muna ang video natin ngayon. So abangan nyo lang sa susunod kung ano bang magaganap. Yan, kain muna ako. Yan, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.